Model, Fiat Ducato Relay Boxer 2.3 off-grid solar camper non-runner fuel issue bargain. Body, white, camper. Mileage, 198120. Engine, 2287 cc FIAE 0481D 120 bhpa. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: this has some kind of fuel issue, maybe high-pressure fuel pump issue, runs perfectly on easy start, straightforward repair if you have a time and know what you're doing. Condition summary: bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is extremely clean and tidy, almost feels brand new. Very well looked after camper van, and first to see will definitely buy. Features: 3 former keepers, electric windows, fridge, sink, hob, bed, 2 keys, fully fitted camper.